Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how dairy milk chocolate is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
Bring that around to the main line. Watch the cocoa butter on the left.
We have a slight elevation in temperature on vat 3.
Initiate cooling sequence and check the mixing time alignment.
Every batch is refined and tested to achieve Dairy Milk's signature smoothness.
Every chocolate bar is checked before it leaves the factory.
And that's how dairy milk chocolate is made. Tade, sign from start to finish.